Good evening, my dear friends, masters, and gods. Mahavatar TV, along with Mahavatar Foundation, welcomes you all to 21 days free holistic wellness program, acupressure points for headache. Why generally we get headache? There are different causes for headache. It's generally headache is a pain in any region on the head, behind the head, up in the forehead. Headaches are frequent with common cold, sinus, high blood pressure, migraine, everything. No, so headache is not a disease; it's just a symptom for any problem. So pain is experienced at different parts of the body, uh, the head. So for each part of the area of the pain, we'll have different problems. So if you have sides of the head, it is for cold. So if you have top and behind the head, it is for acidity. Either side of the head, down towards the ear, it is migraine. So, like this, if the pain is protruding, it is migraine. On the head, till above the eyebrows, this is for high blood pressure. So, when you have cold, you have to press the cold points. So, acupressure points for cold, that is these points. All these points. This will increase your immunity. So whenever you have common cold or headache with the cold, you can press these points and this lymph gland here on both the hands. You can press for 3 to 5 minutes like this. And one more headache point is there for all the types of headaches. You can press one headache point. I will tell about that later. Okay, if you have acidity, these points. I think in last batch we have learnt about acidity points. These points. This point and in the leg also we have one point. That point I will show it in the picture. It's on the leg, toes, left. Second toe point where we ladies put the toe ring. No, there you have to press. I will just show you that as well. And for migraine you will have. It is a condition causes moderate to severe headaches, generally on either side of the head, moving down towards the ears. Right. Generally, it is experienced more by women than by men. Migraine can last anywhere between 4 hours to 3 days. So migraine, if you get migraine attack, it is horrible. So these acupressure points always work for those migraine people as well, migraine headaches as well. So it is accompanied. Sometimes this migraine is accompanied by nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light and sound and all. No, so those people they can activate these points. So first point is lymph point. This is common for everything. Headache and on toes. I will just show that picture. That points you have to press it. Liver 1 point and liver 2 points for migraine. And for all common headaches, you have to press it on thumb. Thumb next to this bottom of the nail will have these 2 points, right? Here you have to press for 3 minutes each side. Okay. I'll just show that those points. Okay, some technical problem. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, I will just share with my other this thing. I will just show once to you all, masters. The okay, we have that. Yeah, in meantime, Reddy Prabha ma'am, are you there? She is asking, someone is asking, which spinach can be used? It is Palakura, ma'am. Palakura you can use. Yeah, Rashikar garu, you can unmute.
Yes, good evening, madam.
Yeah, good evening.
This salad, madam told me that which one, cucumber and one more tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. That is only two, madam. The two we have to eat in the evening time or every time, 3 times.
Once in a day, it is enough. So night times, if you
Once in a
eat,
day.
it will be good. Yeah, once in a day, it will be good.
And only cucumber and tomato. If they need anything to add.
Reddy Prabha ma'am, you can unmute and tell ma'am.
Sir, you can add, sir, anything you want, apples, pomegranates, like that, no problem. Nuts.
Okay. Okay. Second one, which one, madam, told me?
Sir, tomato, cucumber is one salad. The other one is spinach and pomegranate.
Peanut and pomegranate.
Spinach and pomegranate seeds.
Okay, madam. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am sharing the pictures. So these are points for headache. I mean headache. If you have cold sinus problems, you can touch these points, press for 3 to 5 minutes. It will increase your immunity as well as if you have any cold headache, it will get reduced. And this is for acidity. The first one, liver 1, liver 2, liver 3 points. So if you have any acidity, you have to press it on this like this. Here, this side. Towards thumb, these points. Right hand side, these points. Both the hands you have to press. And down portion is for same thing, acidity. The toe finger, these points, if you press, acidity will get reduced. If you have headache from the acidity also, it will work. This one is for migraine headache. If you have headache, migraine headache, this point has to be pressed in the leg. Both the legs you can press. liver 1 and liver 2 point, and the lymph gland. Even this lymph gland point is useful in many things. Even if you have acidity, you can press. If you have any other headache also, you can press it. This point is for headache. If you have common headache, if you don't know for what you have got headache, you can press this point for 3 to 5 minutes. In the overall day, you can press 3 to 5 times. Okay. Yeah, I will share it now. Subhasri ma'am asking to send these pictures in the WhatsApp group. I will share in the group as well. If you want, you can take the screenshot right away. I will share once again. This is for headache. This is for migraine headache. Yeah, please. This is for migraine headache. And this is for acidity. You can take the screenshot of it. It's for acidity. It is tested by me. It is very useful. And this is for general cold, sinus, and headache. It will even in children, if they get any cold or cough, something like that, you can press these points regularly, 3 to 5 minutes a day. It will increase your immunity as well. So you ask them to press like this, like a play thing. You can ask them to press like this for 3 to 5 minutes every day. Even if you can also do it if you have lesser immunity. Okay, masters. Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Or else we'll go to the meditation. Yeah, we'll go to the meditation. So as we all know, we are doing chakra meditation today. We all have 7 chakras, right, in the body. So this whole meditation is for 40 minutes. As we have more time today, we'll do chakra meditation. This will activate your kundalini from Mooladhara chakra. We have 7 chakras from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agna chakra, and Sahasrara. So please sit in a comfortable, cozy place and do the meditation, master, so that you will feel that vibration. You can transform your body as well. Okay. So as we all know, we are doing Anapanasati. Yeah, I will share it in WhatsApp group as well, ma'am. For leg, that toe finger is there, no, where we'll use rings for toes. After marriage, people will use, no. So that finger, that portion, you have to press it for acidity. Okay.